Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Microsoft 365 privacy and audit logs step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center by entering the URL. Sign in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, look for the left-hand menu. Click on Compliance to access compliance solutions. In the Compliance Center, select Audit from the available options. If you haven't already enabled audit logging, click on Start Recording User and Admin Activity. Follow the prompts to configure. Once logging is enabled, return to the Audit section. You will now see a search bar for audit logs. Enter your desired search criteria, such as users or activities. Select the date range to narrow down your results. Click on Search to view the audit logs that match your criteria. The results will display various activities logged within Microsoft 365. Review the details of individual entries for more information. To export the audit logs, click on the Export Results button. Choose your preferred file format for the export. Confirm the export, and the file will be prepared for download. Once downloaded, open the file to review the audit logs offline. Regularly checking your audit logs helps maintain privacy and security. Consider setting a schedule for continuous monitoring of your logs. This ensures you stay informed about any unusual activities. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your Microsoft 365 privacy and audit logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.